What happens when you marry shine and jam with Wetline Xtreme in real tropical weather? Match made in heaven, or is humidity going to steal the show? Good morning, you. I am trying a new product, the Shine and Jam hair gel line with the Wetline Xtreme hair gel. It's a little bit nerve-wracking because that product has glycerin. At the moment, I'm in Panama City, Panama. It's very humid and it rains quite often, so I have to find products with strong hold. I'll keep you up to date and I'll try to show you how it evolves the next few days. I'll also show you if I end up having to wash it off and start over. Stay tuned. This is what my hair looks out of the shower. It's still wet. I should have really dried a little bit, but I'm kind of in a pinch here with time, so I might have to go with it like this. But just want to show you what it looks like. I'm quite surprised actually. It looks quite nice. We'll see if it holds up. As usual, it was warm in Panama, 27 degrees Celsius, which is about 81 degrees Fahrenheit, and very humid. It has been about 7 hours, 6-7 hours since I did my wash and go, and it's still wet. That's why I have a towel. And it's been raining a lot, so it's been shrunken, and yeah, I don't think it's going to dry today. My sister mentioned that my 4C here in the back has shrunken quite a bit. Friend, I know, but it's very difficult because it's so humid. Even if I was to blow dry this part, I think with all the rain, it would be difficult for it to stay in place. But it is surprisingly, it feels moisturized in my hair. This is a little bit funny. So it could be interesting to try this combination in a place that is not so humid. I think it might keep your hair moisturized for a few days. Good morning. Yesterday when I came home, I just put my hair in bands and I'm going to take them down and see if it has survived. Yesterday was quite humid. Also rained at some point. I was out and when it was raining, so it shrunk a little bit, but I'm hoping that putting it in bands have helped a little bit. So I've taken out the scrunchies, and my idea was that I was going to blow dry my hair, but I was out with the trash. That's a little bird that distracted me. Out with the trash, and it's so humid. So actually my hair kind of just did its own thing, and I'm just letting it. It doesn't have as much definition as you can see as when it was the extreme gel on its own, but it feels very moisturized and very soft. It doesn't feel dry though. It's still a little bit sticky, and I think it's because of the glycerin, and Panama is very, very humid, so small amount of glycerin might just soak up all the water. Good morning. I'm still wearing my hair with this style, still with the Shine and Jam gel. I hope I said it right. And I'm going to take down my scrunchies. Today I feel like having my hair off my face, or at least most of it, so I'm going to use elastics. Hair elastic bands. I use a brush most of the time, unless I'm doing something where feel like I need to put my hair a little bit more into like one direction or something. But like just like day-to-day like this, I don't. And I have headbands without the metallic part, so there's no metal that's going to catch on to my hair. I put my hand here to help it get to the back without too much resistance. Some of these small things, like to help your hair being gentle like that, is what makes the difference between your hair breaking and you getting your hair staying healthy and growing. So this is what I came up with. My 3 elastics, my little piece in the front and the back out. And I'm hoping that the humidity will help with the shape a little bit, because parts of the back are a little bit stretched because it was in the scrunchies. It's nighttime, and today we went to the Panama Canal. So rained, so my hair got wet and so on. So now you can see what the Shine and Jam gel together with the extreme hair gel looks like after intense humidity in Panama. As you can see, it's quite shrunken. I think it looks cute though. I don't know, what do you think? I'm not super knowledgeable with ingredients. I do know that glycerin tends to attract water, so I guess that's also part of the reason why my hair continues to feel a little bit tacky, especially because it's so humid here in Panama. Today is, I don't even know what day it is. I'll put it on screen. And I was supposed to maybe redo my hair today, but I don't feel like doing my hair today, and I think I can get a nice bun or something out of this hair, so I'll just do that and give it my hair one more day. So this is what my hair looks like when I took out the scrunchies. If I was going somewhere, I would probably spray it with a little water to shape it a little bit better. But since I'm not planning on doing anything today, I think I'll just put it on a bun and leave it. Put it on a quick bun. At least my hair was going to be a little bit less crazy. So let's try. See, I might leave it like that. Yeah, and I think if I was to put on a little bit of makeup and earrings and put on clothes, I would even maybe wear this like to the supermarket or something. So, morning guys, I ended up not washing my hair, and we're going to like a beach area today, so I'll probably wash my hair at the end of the day. So I'm going to put my hair in elastic headbands, so even if it's humid or rainy or whatever, my hair is slightly contained. It's like leaving a little piece on the front. I don't know how it's going to look. I can try. And also it's starting to be a little bit residue from, I'm guessing, the Shine and Jam gel. I couldn't really put a little bit water. Put a little bit water. Mainly going to be around family, and I think they're starting to get kind of used to my experiments, so sometimes I might have like flakes and things on my hair. My scalp is starting to be like, you know, having that feeling of when it's like not fresh anymore. That often comes from me after 4 days or so. How long does your scalp feel fresh before you feel like doing something about it? And if you don't, 1 week or so, or it takes you more than a week to wash it, how do you keep your scalp fresh? Because one of my issues, one of the reasons why I end up washing my hair regularly is because I like the fresh feeling, like fresh scalp, and also the nice freshly washed scent on my hair. So if you have any tips on how to keep it fresh past those 4 days, past 1 week, please share with the rest of them. Since I'm in Panama, when you go outdoors, your hair is going to often shrink unless you have really strong hold gel on its own. So I don't bother too much shaping because humidity is going to do it for me. But otherwise, if it was a place that is a little bit more dry, I would put a little bit spray water to make it shrink a little bit, for it to be a little bit more defined if I want to. So I'll show you later what it looks like if I hope I remember to do so. This is what my hair looks like at the end of the day. It was shrunken, it was defined, and after spending some time beside a grill and outdoors, I decided to wash it at the end of the day, but this is what it looked like at the end. Thank you very much for watching this video. YouTube is about to suggest another one you can enjoy.